Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Utilize this lockdown period. Hope you all have done the worksheet in your notebook with proper date and lesson number. So, today we will start our next chapter. And the next chapter is effects of the rotation and revolution. You know, day and night, how day and night formed. In some country it is day and in some other country they have night. So how these things are happened. So in this chapter we will read about effects of the rotation and revolution. So earth have two movement, rotation and revolution. Earth has two movement, rotation and revolution. Rotation is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis from west to east. So this is important. Earth कैसे rotate करती है? From west to east. From west to east. And the earth complete one rotation on its axis about 24 hours, making one earth day. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The revolution or the earth complete one revolution in 365 or 1:4 days, or you can say 365 days for 5 hours and 48 minutes. This is makes and 1 earth year. So what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth on the of the earth on its axis, and rotation causes day and night, and rotation on its axis in about 24 hours. And second one is revolution. Revolution causes seasons. We have 4 main seasons, and the revolution causes or revolution forms seasons, and rotation causes day and night. And the earth in rotation, earth rotate from west to east. Now we will read in. So, rotation. The earth rotates on its axis. The axis of the earth is an imaginary line. In first chapter you have read about the imaginary lines, imaginary axis. These are the imaginary axis. An imaginary line passes which through the center of the earth, the upper end of the axis. The upper end of the axis is the north pole, and the southern is and the end is the south pole. The axis of the earth is tilted at angle of 66.5 degree to the plane of the earth orbit. So what is the effects of the rotation? First of all, the earth rotate on its axis. An earth of axis of the earth is an imaginary line. These are the imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth. The upper end is called north pole and the lower end is called south pole. And the earth is tilted. Tilted मतलब झुका हुआ. वो is about at the angle of 66.5 degree to the plane of the earth orbit. Now effects of the rotation. Now in first paragraph we read how the earth rotate. Now what is the effects after the effects? What is the effects of the rotation? Let us read about the effect of the rotation. Formation of day and night. As the earth rotates, one half of the earth that face the sun experiences day, while the other half is away from the sun experiences night. The length of the day depends on the number of hours that a place on earth faces the sun. So this I will explain you with the diagram. This is sun, this is earth, this is an imaginary axis. So earth rotate from west to east. sun की rays on which the sun जिस साइड पर सन की रेजेज होंगी, सन की लाइट होगी, उस on that side it is day, and on the other side it's night. That earth rotate on its axis, and on the other hand, when this side, when the opposite side is so this is the diagram, earth rotation and formation of day and night. So in short, we can say the earth that faces the sun experiences day, while the other half day sun experiences night. So जिस साइड जो है अर्थ जो है सन को फेस करेगी, उस साइड पर डे होगा और उसके अपोजिट साइड पर क्या होगा, नाइट होगी. और जैसे कि हम बोल रहे हैं फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ दैट द अर्थ रोटेट फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, तो जब दूसरी जहाँ पर नाइट है उस टाइम पर जब अर्थ रोटेट होकर सन के सामने आएगी तो उस वाले पार्ट पर डे होगा और उसके अपोजिट साइड पर जो कि पहले क्या था, वहाँ पर सन था, वहाँ पर क्या डे था, वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, नाइट हो जाएगा. और ये प्रोसेस चलता रहता है एंड इट टेक्स अराउंड 24 आवर्स टू कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन. So sunrise is the earlier in countries lying in the east. Since earth rotate from west to east, country in the east have sunrise earlier than the countries in the west. Japan is the first country to see sunrise. Why Japan is the first country? And it is also known as land of rising sun because it locate in the extreme east of the extreme east of the eastern hemisphere. Therefore Japan is called the land of the rising sun. This is we are talking about the word country. But in India, Arunachal Pradesh is कॉल्ड द लैंड ऑफ द राइजिंग सन. और आप बोलेंगे कि वहाँ पर वो एक ऐसा स्टेट है जहाँ पर जो है सनराइज सबसे पहले होता है. वाई? अगेन सेम, बिकॉज इन इंडिया अरुणाचल प्रदेश इज इन द extreme east. That's why in Arunachal Pradesh is the first state where the sun rise. And now revolution, and here is another diagram. Sunrise is earlier in the country lying in the east. So this is the, in this way Japan, because Japan is in the extreme eastern hemisphere, that is why Japan is called the land of the rising sun. Same in India, otherwise India lies in the northern hemisphere, but Arunachal Pradesh lies in the extreme east of the country. That's why in India Arunachal Pradesh is the first state where sun rise first. So now revolution, as the earth is rotating on its axis, it is also revolving around the sun in its orbit. Earth complete one revolution in 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes. This makes the earth one earth year. For convenience, we consider a year consisting of only 365 days and leave 5 hours. Leave the 6 hours. These 6 hours are added up to make one day after a period of 4 years. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24 hours. और आप ऐसे समझें कि in a year there are 365, 1:4 day. 1:4 day means 6 hours. So in every 6 hour. So in a year there are 365 days and 6 hours. So after 4 years, this 6 hour makes 24 hours. That means one more day. So in February there are 29 days and this extra day is added to the month of February. Thus every 4th year February has 29 days instead of 28. Such a year has 366 days and is called a leap year. Hope you understand that there are 365 days and 6 hours in a year, and this 6 hours after a 4 year it makes a one day. 6 into 4 is equal to 24 hours. So this one day add in which month? February. So in February when In February, every fourth year, February has 28 days instead of 28. 29 days instead of 28 days. Such year is called leap year, and in leap year there are 366 days. Now, effects of revolution. Formation of season. The most important effect of revolution is the formation of seasons. In fact, seasons are caused due to the combined effect of two factors. First, revolution of the earth in its orbit around the sun, and tilting of the earth axis at an angle of 66.5 degree to the plane of its orbit. Because of tilted axis of the earth, when one part of the earth tilts towards the sun, the other part is tilts away from the sun. जब अर्थ जो है 66.5 डिग्री के एंगल पर टिल्ट करेगी टुवर्ड्स सन की तरफ, जब झुकेगी तो जो उसका दूसरा पार्ट होगा ऑब्वियसली वो कैसा होगा, वो उससे अवे होगा. The part of the earth that leans toward the sun has summer, while the part of the earth that lean toward the sun, जो पार्ट जो है सन की तरफ होगा वहाँ पर समर होगी, एंड while the other part that lean away from the sun has winter. Now remember, as the earth moves around in its orbit, it tilts in the same direction, that is the inclines in the same direction. At certain position in the earth's orbit, each pole sometimes comes to lean towards the sun and sometimes away from the sun. See the diagram of season to understand this concept. Earth experiences four main seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. During revolution, there are two important positions of the earth. One is equinox and second one is solstice. Equinox means when we have equal day and equal night, and solstice means sun stands still. So we will read about the equinox. Now, the term equinox is derived from the Latin word equinoctium, which means equal day and night. There are two equinox positions, autumn and spring. When the sun shines vertically over the equator, you know the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. So over the equator, and day and night are equal throughout the world. The term solstice is derived from another Latin word, solstium, which means sun stands still. The solstice position occurs twice. Once when the sun is at the northernmost over the Tropic of Cancer, and next when the sun is at its southernmost lowest point over the Tropic of Capricorn. This is marked by the longest and shorter days respective. So this is summer solstice. The North Pole is tilted. The North Pole is tilted toward the sun. The sun shines directly over the Tropic of Cancer. As the result, the northern hemisphere experiences summer. The northern experience summer. So this is sun. This is summer solstice. This is equinox. And there are two equinox and there are two summer solstice. Equinox where days and night are equal, and solstice means when the sun stands still. When our earth tilted towards the sun, this side is summer and opposite side of the earth faces the winter season. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere has the longest day and the shortest night of the summer season. This position of the earth is called the summer solstice. All the places lying beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous daylight for about 6 months. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all the conditions are just the opposite. At this position, the southern hemisphere experiences winter season. Nights are longer than days. The areas near the South Pole receive less heat as the pole is tilted far away from the sun. So don't be confused. I will send you another link or you can say another video clip so that you understand this topic very easily. I will send you one more video or one more video clip of how the seasons occur and how days and nights. Maybe you will understand the rotation easily, but it is some a little bit confusing how the season occur and how the northern hemisphere, and in one country there is summer and in other there is winter. So how it happens, how season occurs, so in this or in video clip you will understand more easily. Now September 23rd, and one more class, you just read your notes again and again, and according to your notes you just solve your worksheets. Neither of the pole is tilted toward the sun. On September 23rd, the sun shines directly over the equator. Therefore, the entire earth experiences equal day and night time. The position of the earth is called the autumn equinox. In this position, the northern hemisphere experiences autumn season, while the other hemisphere experiences spring season. Now विंटर सोलिस्टाइस, अभी हमने किया है समर सोलिस्टाइस. नाउ ऑन द 21st of June it is the longest day. The North Pole is tilted away from the sun. The Tropic of Cancer receive less heat. The Tropic of Cancer receive less heat as it is tilted away from the sun. As a result, the northern hemisphere experiences winter. On 22nd December, the northern hemisphere has the shortest day and the longest night of the winter season. This position of the earth is called the winter solstice. All the places lying beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous 6 months. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all conditions are just position. It is summer season here. The days are longer than the night. In the southern hemisphere, the areas near the South Pole receive more heat as the rays of the sun fall on them directly. Now, equinox. Neither of the pole is tilted toward the sun. On March 21st, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. Therefore, the entire earth experiences equal day and equal night. As we know, what is equinox? When the days and night are equal. So on March 21st, this is very important, you just remember all the date when the spring equinox happen, when the summer solstice, experience equal day and equal time. The position of the earth is called the spring equinox. Now the northern hemisphere has spring, while the southern hemisphere. Now you know the effect of the movement of the earth. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution and tilted axis of the earth causes a cycle of the season. जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा कि हमारा, जैसे आपने सोलर सिस्टम में कि जो सन है वो हेड होता है, तो जो सारे प्लैनेट हैं वो सन के रिवॉल्व करते हैं. तो जो रेवोल्यूशन रोटेशन क्या है, जो मूवमेंट रोटेशन कॉजेज डे एंड नाइट, रेवोल्यूशन कॉजेज सीजन्स. एंड हाउ जो अर्थ का पोजीशन होता है, अर्थ जैसे जैसे मूव करती है और सन की तरफ टिल्ट करती है, टिल्टेड एक्सिस ऑफ द अर्थ जो पोजीशन होती है उस अकॉर्डिंग जो है सीजन ओकर होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, सन अर्थ जो है, अगर अर्थ जो है टिल्टेड टुवर्ड द सन, जो सन के पास में होती है तो वहाँ पर क्या होगा, समर होगा, और उसके अपोजिट साइड में क्या होगा, विंटर सीजन होगा। ऐसे ही जब अर्थ जो है हमारा वेस्ट टू ईस्ट रोटेट करती है, रिवॉल्व करती है, फिर दूसरी साइड क्या होगा, ऑटम होगा, और उसके अपोजिट साइड स्प्रिंग होगा। दिस इज़ द मोस्ट, ऐसे आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं, बट आई विल सेंड यू वन वीडियो क्लिप सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड easily. And class, please do your worksheet on time, and if you have any problem you just write down the worksheet on your copy or try to find out the answer, otherwise we will do whenever the lockdown open. So when we will let's sum up effects of earth movement. These are the important point, or you can say this is the summary of the lesson. So earth has two movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation in the spinning movement of the earth on its axis from west to east once in 24 hours. Now revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. The Earth complete one revolution in 365 1:4 days. 1:4 days. This is in 1 year. There are 365 1:4 days, and this 1:4 is equal to 6 hour, and 6 hour into 4. That means in 1 year 6 hour, next 6 hour. When we add 6 hour in 4 years, then we will get 6 into 4 is equal to 24 hour. That means a 1 day, and that 1 day we add in the month of February. Then in the month of February in 29 days, and that 29 days leap year, or you can say in a leap year we have 366 days, and that will occur in after every 4 years. The axis of the earth is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth. The upper end is called North Pole, and the lower end is called South Pole. The effect of rotation are formation of day and night. The effect of rotation causes day and night, and the sunlight or the sun rays fall on the earth. This part we will see the day, and on other side night. So the effect of the rotation are formation of day and night, and sunrise is earlier in the country that lie in the east. जो कंट्री हमारे ईस्टर्न में है, ईस्ट में है ऑलमोस्ट, उनमें जो है सनराइज एज कंपेरेटिवली टू अदर डायरेक्शन सबसे पहले होता है. जैसे कि इफ़ वी talk about the word country, that Japan is known as the land of the rising sun because it is located in the extreme east of the world. As well as in our India, Arunachal Pradesh is the first state in which sun rises first. So in word, Japan is known as land of rising sun, and in India, Arunachal Pradesh is known as land of rising sun. So in a leap year, February has 29 days instead of 28, and the year has 366 days. As the earth is rotating on its axis, it is also revolving around the sun in its orbit. Seasons are formed due to the combined effect of the revolution of the earth in its orbit. That you will understand more after the video clip. The earth experience, as I already explained you, the earth experiences 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. During revolution, there are 2 important positions of the earth. One is equinox and second one is solstice. Equinox means equal day and night. There are 2 equinox positions, autumn and spring, when the sun shines vertically over the equator. Solstice means sun standing still. The solstice position occurs twice. Once when the sun is in the northernmost over the Tropic of Cancer, and then when the sun is at the southernmost over the Tropic of Capricorn. So I gave you worksheet of this. I gave you worksheet of this lesson. So you will and worksheet as well as notes. So you will easily solve the worksheet. Write in your copy with proper dates and proper lesson number. And I will send you one video clip so that you will understand easily. And please class, understand the chapter. If you have any confusion, you just play the video again and again. Play the video again and again, and you will understand easily. Okay, hope you all are understand.